Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own clothes in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the dress I've just made and I'm going to show you how you can sew your own clothes. First of all, you need to draw the sketch for the clothes. You're going to use the drawing board and you can buy it from Catching Store. I'm going to click on this icon to start new drawing, and I'm going to choose for example mini skirt. I'm going to create mini skirt, and then I'm going to color it. I'm going to color it with black color like this, and you can also add pattern or add sticker, it's up to you. And I'm going to add the sticker like this, and then you can monitor the appearance right here. And then once you're done, you're going to save the sketch. Okay, and then I'm going to go back and we're going to use the workbench to start sewing the skirt. You can click on this icon and then select mini skirt, start sewing, and it will consume this tailoring ticket, and you're going to click on confirm like this, and done. This is the result. This is the mini skirt I've just made. And okay guys, that's how you can make your own clothes in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.